Let's replace the charger cooler on this 2018 Chevy Equinox. I'm replacing it because this vehicle got into a small accident and it's leaking oil and it's throwing a P0171 on the check engine light. As you guys see, it's leaking. We're gonna remove the front bumper to get access to it, and let's start by removing those. There's about 6 T15 on top. Let's remove them, and we're gonna work our way down and remove all those 7mm to remove this underbody shield. Here they are, and just pull it out. There it is. You guys see the oil coming from the turbocharger. It was leaking pretty bad. That vehicle had 155,000 miles on it. Let's put the vehicle down, and we're going to remove our wheel liner bolt. It is about 5 T15 and one push pin, and we're going to we're not removing it all the way. We just remove it halfway so we can have access to the bumper bolt. It is 17mm that is located on the side of it. Let's remove this push pin here using a little pocket screwdriver. There it is. Now the wheel liner ready to be folded, and we're gonna remove that 7mm that hold the bumper in place. You do the same thing on the passenger side. I'm currently working on the driver's side, and you need to do the same thing on the passenger side and pop the bumper off on the driver's side. When you come to the passenger side, you're gonna have to be very careful to not pull too hard because of the wiring harness plug into it. I'm gonna show you this plug here. Make sure you don't pull too hard, and you need two people to help you take that bumper out. Now we're going to remove the this shield that's around the charger cooler. We're going to remove it so we can get access to the bolt. There's about 4 of them. Now let's unplug the sensor here. It is the ambient sensor. I would strongly suggest you unplug the battery before doing this. The reason being, if you unplug that sensor and plug it back in without unplugging the battery, what's gonna end up happening is your AC system won't work because it's gonna want you to reset the ambient temperature sensor. And I don't expect the DIY to have a scan tool for that. So I strongly suggest you unplug the battery because of that sensor. Now let's remove the charger cooler pipe. You're gonna use 2 picks like this to pick up on the C-clip and work the boot off the charger cooler. You do the same thing on the other side, and let's unplug that's the air temperature sensor. Let's unplug it. The new cooler come with the sensor already. So we're going to remove the outlet pipe that goes to the coming out the charger cooler. It goes straight to the throttle body. So let's disengage those tabs, move them out of the groove so you can pop the pipe out of the charger cooler. There it is. And there are 2 10mm bolts. Let's remove them so we can replace the charger cooler. Here is the new one, and we're going to hook the new one, put the bottom part in first and work your way up. There it is, and put the bolt in. It's pretty much the reverse of removal, guys. It's pretty easy. Follow the instruction, and that's it, guys. Just put everything back together, secure everything, plugged everything back in, and that should be it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.